Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to give Meguiar's heavy duty multi-purpose cleaner a bash on this engine bay. So we're going to give we're going to use the Meguiar's and what we're going to do is we're going to just tackle the engine bay, which is, it's not actually too dirty to be fair, but we're going to see if it takes off this sticky nonsense that was had an Evans Halshaw sticker on it, and then what we're going to do is take our focus. There we go. We're going to tackle all this greasy, dirty build-up on the underside of the bonnet and see how good this all-purpose cleaner is. Now, from my understanding, an all-purpose cleaner is kind of like gunk used to be back in the day. If you've ever heard of gunk, it's basically a degreaser. So we're going to give it a bash, and in fact actually first we'll chuck you on the tripod and we'll just check the instructions. Right, so oh, come on, focus. Focus, come on, you can do it. You can do it. Alright, scrap that, I'll just read them. So basically says, spray multi-surface cleaner onto a towel or directly onto the surface to be cleaned. Wipe or rinse off. Really, it's that simple. So yeah, let's have a shot at this now. Right, so we're going to try and tackle this bit first. So, as with using any cleaning product of any type, always wear gloves. You don't want this type of stuff getting on your hands wherever physically possible. So I'm going to try it on this sticky patch right here and just see what it does. What I'm going to do, spray it straight onto the surface rather than spraying it onto the towel. Just using a clean microfiber. And so yeah, let's just give it a bash. What we'll do, we'll give it a quick scoosh and then just rub it in. It's getting there. See how dirty the cloth is. Et voila, that worked, an absolute treat. It's actually quite weird because on the camera you can still see a slight line here, whereas in real life you actually genuinely can't see it. So I'll give it one final run with it. Perfect. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to run over the entire engine bay. So I'm going to move you back again slightly. And you guys are going to, I'll fast forward through it, but we'll just do a quick run through. I'm going to clean all of this section here. It really is as simple as that. In fact, I missed a bit, so yeah, so it brings, I mean, tell by the state of the cloth, it's pretty minging. So yeah, it's not bad stuff. I've noticed that it's not caught this bit here. I don't know what that is. It might be an imperfection in the plastic more than it is something that the degreaser would take off. So yeah, I'll move you around again. Give another quick bash on this section here. And just wait for it to dry. I'm wondering if it's actually probably better wiping it off once you've applied it. See if that makes any difference to it at all. It will look a bit rough if you're going for like a show quality finish. What you'd be far better doing after this is then adding some kind of dressing on top. So like a spray on I don't know, wax or something like that if you want to get it really, really shiny. But I'm not in the interest of making this one all that shiny at the moment. I just want it to be clean. Right, so let's move on to this bit now, and we'll try it on this. This will be a proper test of this stuff, see if it's any good. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to come at all this bit here, and I would imagine that this will take a couple of goes, but we'll give it a shot anyway. I'm just going to again spray it on the actual paintwork itself. Not liberally this time, because I don't want it to obviously go outside the edges, because I don't want it all over the paintwork of the car. We'll spray it on and see what happens. You just leave it for a couple of seconds and then just wipe it off. So I'll take you off the tripod and take a much closer look if it'll focus. Come on car, hey, come on camera. There we go. Well, look at how much cleaner that is. So much better. I apologise for the huge glare. It's actually sunny in Scotland for a change, which is quite rare. So yeah, so I'm basically going to go over, I'll quickly go over all the rest of it because this product does seem to be quite good. So I'll go over all this section now and then we'll take a look at that as well. So yeah, so that's about 5 minutes worth of work. This flaming camera would focus. So yeah, it's quite a good product. I would recommend it. It's definitely one of the smelliest products I've ever used. This stuff absolutely stinks. But yeah, it's quite a good product overall. So just take I very quickly went around the engine bay again, and so yeah, not a bad product. Like I say, it's still certain bits like this, it's still it's struggled to remove it. Not really sure why, if I'm honest, because it should have lifted that stuff off fairly easily. But in terms of for using as a quick engine bay cleaner, absolutely worth it. Hang on. So yeah, not sure why I didn't get that, but so yeah, Meguiar's multi-purpose cleaner for very quickly detailing an engine bay, worth it. Quite a good product. Quite, very straightforward to use. Cloth's really dirty as a result of it, so that's a good thing, means it's done something. So yeah, I'd recommend it. Can't remember how expensive it was off the top of my head, probably about £10 for the bottle, but I hardly used any cleaning the engine bay, so actually it's probably worth it, I would have said. So yeah guys, if you like the video, I'd love a subscribe from you. So close to 100 subscribers now, and that's my goal for just now, is to get to 100 subscribers on the channel. So if you like the video, if you like any other content, please subscribe. Awesome. Catch you later guys.